Doi Rangjin, the nature of the beings. You know, Doa is the beings, is always the Buddha, or always enlightened. Meaning that the basic nature of the mind or the consciousness is the same as that of a Buddha and that of any beings, however small and however lowly that may be. When one becomes enlightened, the way our consciousness is doesn't become better. And when there is a kind of ignorant being or not so highly developed being, that his or her nature of the consciousness, the true nature of the consciousness, is nothing worse. The only problem is that our not being able to fully recognize or being able to be awakened to that experience of directly and fully experiencing the way our mind is. In a way, we are not able to utilize the full capacity of our mind. If we can, then we are a Buddha. So therefore, Buddha is not something that we gain after doing lots of practices, but to be able to experience the way our actual mind is. So therefore, that we are able to use the full capacity of our consciousness.